I'm going to make a quick video today, and I hope this really helps you out in the future. I know that it helped me out a lot. I learned this from a Boeing aviation mechanic years ago. And the discussion was silicone and which side do you put the silicone on, or do you put it on both? So the answer is, and I'm sure this was going to vary between mechanic to mechanic, but the answer is that you put it on the piece that comes off of the vehicle. And why is that? Well, there's two reasons. The most important one is because it's the side that actually fluctuates more than the piece that's on the car. The intake manifold is a thicker piece, and it's milled to a finer point than these add-on parts are. If anything is going to flex and fluctuate, it's going to be the smaller piece. Okay, so that's one of the reasons. The second reason is because look at that. Who wants to scrape that gasket surface off when it looks like that? You're not going to be able to get in there and clean that surface off, but you're going to have to now because somebody put the silicone on that side. So now you have to get in there and scrape all that off, which is probably going to take about 10 times longer than it normally would. You could have had this out on the bench and been scraping this off on the bench, reapplying your sealant, and coming back in here and pressing this on. So I was going to wait and make this video, but I decided I would just do it now. If you're working on your own stuff in the future, do your own self a favor and put the gasket sealant on this side, including your water pump and everything. That way you're not scraping all the surfaces off of your vehicle. And if you are going to scrape anything off and you're going to scratch anything, scratch this up, not the permanent pieces that are on your vehicle, like your block or your intake manifold or your fuel injection manifold or your runners, whatever that part may be. Anyway, that's my tip on what side to put silicone on. Hopefully it helps you out. See you in the next video.